Hi, I'm Paolo Mazzo, photographer. From the 16th of February, it is possible to visit the Olivetti Beyond the Typewriter exhibition in Tel Aviv, in which the story of Olivetti's excellence also passes through a selection of photographs that I took and which bear witness to this unique experience. In the exhibition, there are 7 of my photographs that tell a part of the Olivetti architectural heritage. They are basically photographs of the ICO workshops plant with an outline of an urban landscape of great complexity and richness where this factory is located. One can appreciate the closeness and diversity of the buildings that are seen in the creation of iconic figures that have taken root in the Italian and world collective imagination. These photographs are part of a long process of collaboration and research that has linked me and the Olivetti Historical Archive Association for several years now. Come and discover this absolute uniqueness recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site.